Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different. I'm very excited about this. I'm about to start a challenge where I take $15,000 and turn it into $100,000 by the end of the year just through trading stocks. And by doing so, I'm hoping to either teach you guys or at least inspire you to show you that it is possible to take, whatever you have in your savings account and turn it into something substantial and maybe even make more money in that process than you would at your regular boring old 9 to 5. That's the ultimate goal of this, but I do have some more details to kind of lay out for you guys. But before I do that, make sure you leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel so you can follow along with this challenge. But like I said, let's get into those details. All right. So first thing, as far as updates with this challenge goes, the main updates are going to be found on my Twitter. It's at Dr. Magoops. If you don't already follow me, make sure to do so. If you don't have a Twitter, I would strongly recommend getting one. It is a great place if you are interested in trading to get different resources, talk to different people. You can learn a lot on financial Twitter. So make sure to do that. Make sure to give me a follow, and I'm going to be giving full updates on there with my entries and exits for all positions that I take, as well as daily updates on my portfolio. And then on the YouTube, I will also be doing weekly updates, and I'll also make any additional videos if anything important happens. Let's say, the portfolio goes up 50% in a day. I'll make a video breaking down what happened. Next thing to look out for is the star emoji on any of my tweets is going to signal that I'm specifically referring to something related to this challenge. Probably most of the time it's just going to be entries or exits of positions. But, any relevant news to the challenge, I'm going to definitely have that star emoji before any of those tweets so that you guys know it is referring to this. And finally, things that I hope to teach you guys through this process. These are kind of my specialties. So when I'm going to be trading, I'm going to be focusing on my specialties to make sure that we are able to complete the challenge. So first one's going to be breakouts and reversals. Next one's going to be momentum trading and short squeezes. And finally, it's going to be finding conservative entry points. Those are the main things, but also just technical analysis as a whole is going to be the name of the game here. And finally, I just want to show you guys my timeline and how this is going to work. So there's 28 weeks left in the year, and essentially each week has what I want to close the week at listed next to it. So as you guys can see, first really 11 weeks, I'm just trying to make $1,000 a day, pretty much just grinding that out through the rest of summer. And the reason for that is, I'm under PDT. I can't day trade yet. I need to avoid any good faith violations. So I just want to take it nice and slow, be very conservative, and just grind my way up. And then as soon as I get to that 26,000, have a little bit of comfort where I can start day trading, well, then I start to ramp it up, $2,000 for the next 2 weeks. And after that, I'm just slowly increasing my position or my profit targets rather. For the rest of the challenge. And I even give myself 3 weeks of leeway. So if I actually hit all my goals, I'll be at 120K by the end of the year. So let's see if we can make that happen. But aside from that, if you have any suggestions for how I can make this challenge better or at least more enjoyable for you guys, let me know. If you have any questions for me, let me know. And aside from that, leave a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, and have a great rest of your night.